Choosing the right soldering station can be tricky. Poor temperature control, slow heating, and unstable tips can ruin delicate electronics work. That's why a high-quality soldering station makes a big difference. Whether you're repairing smartphones, working on PCB boards, or doing DIY electronics, you need precision, reliability, and fast heat recovery. Today, I'll show you the top 5 best soldering stations for electronics repair and professional rework. We researched specs, features, and real user feedback to build this list. Check the description for product links and updated prices. Let's get started. Number 5. GEEBOON TC22 220-watt soldering station. The GEEBOON TC22 is a powerful 220-watt soldering station designed for professional electronic repair and PCB work. It supports multiple tip standards, including T12, T115, T210, and T245, giving users excellent flexibility for different soldering tasks. The color curve display helps visualize temperature changes and maintain stable heat control. With fast heating performance and precise temperature regulation, it works well for delicate components as well as larger solder joints. Its compact design and smart interface make it a solid choice for technicians who want strong performance without a complicated setup. Number 4. Silverflo 8586D 2-in-1 Hot Air Soldering Station. The Silverflo 8586D is a versatile 2-in-1 soldering station that combines a hot air rework gun with a traditional soldering iron. Dual digital displays allow you to monitor temperature settings for both tools at the same time. The hot air gun is especially useful for SMD components, chip removal, and PCB rework. A built-in 10-minute sleep mode helps extend heater life and improves safety during idle periods. With strong airflow control and adjustable temperature settings, this station is ideal for electronics repair shops, DIY hobbyists, and anyone working with surface mount components. Number 3. YIHUA 938BD2 740-watt Hot Air Rework Soldering Station. The YIHUA 938BD2 is a powerful 740-watt soldering and hot air rework station designed for advanced electronics repair. It includes a precision soldering iron, hot air gun, and a built-in LED work lamp for better visibility during detailed tasks. The hot air gun can reach temperatures from about 100 degrees Celsius to 480 degrees Celsius, while the soldering iron ranges from 200 degrees Celsius to 480 degrees Celsius, providing flexibility for various soldering jobs. The PID temperature control system keeps heat stable for consistent results. With its strong performance and multi-tool design, it's excellent for smartphone repair, laptop maintenance, and PCB rework. Number 2. SUGON A9 Soldering Station. The SUGON A9 soldering station is built for professional repair technicians who need accuracy and reliability. It supports multiple soldering handles and tip types, including 115, 210, and 245 series tips, making it highly adaptable for different soldering tasks. The station provides stable temperature control and quick heating, which helps prevent damage to sensitive electronic components. Its ergonomic soldering handle and clear digital interface make long repair sessions more comfortable. Whether you're working on mobile phone boards, microelectronics, or precision PCB soldering, the SUGON A9 offers dependable performance and professional-level control. Number 1. AIXUN T3A/T3B Intelligent Soldering Station. The AIXUN T3 series is one of the most advanced intelligent soldering stations available for electronics repair. The T3A model delivers around 200 watts of power with extremely fast heating, reaching working temperature in just a few seconds while maintaining precise temperature accuracy. It supports popular handle types like T245 and T12, making it suitable for everything from micro-soldering to larger PCB joints. A bright color LCD screen shows temperature and working status clearly, and the smart control system helps maintain stable heat during complex soldering tasks. For professionals who want speed, precision, and smart features, the AIXUN T3 series is an excellent choice. A reliable soldering station makes electronics repair faster, safer, and more precise. These 5 models offer powerful heating, stable temperature control, and features designed for PCB repair and microsoldering. Whether you're a DIY hobbyist or a professional technician, there's a great option here for your workspace. Which soldering station would you choose? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews.